Halito, Hachimachugma, Amachugma hoke, Sahochifuyat Josh, Hash Ayalaka Achugma, Himagnitaga, Chahta anumpa, Hachim abʋchi bʋnna. Hello, I'm Josh, and I'm so glad you guys are here. So today I want to give you guys some conversational phrases that you can start using today in order to start speaking with Choctaw speakers. So let's get started. So the first one is going to be Halito, Halito. And so this means hello, of course. And so it's the first thing we should learn when we learn a language, just how to say hello. And so in Choctaw we say Halito, Halito. All right, and so the next one is going to be Chipi Sala Chigi, Chipi Sala Chigi. And so a lot of people say goodbye in their language or whatnot, but in Choctaw language we don't have a word for goodbye. And so we just simply say Chipi Sala Chigi. And this means see you later, or I'll be sure to see you. So let's say it again. Chipi Sala Chigi, Chipi Sala Chigi. All right, so the next one is going to be ikhʋna, ikhʋna, ikhʋna. This just simply means I don't know, I do not know. And so you can use this whenever, someone asks you a question and you just don't know. And so ikhʋna. All right, and so the next one is going to be chim achukma, chim achukma. And so we use this as a question. Chim achukma, chim achukma. And this literally means, are you good? Are you well? But it can also be translated as, how are you? And so when you say, Halito, chim achukma, you're saying, hello, how are you? Or, are you good? And so to reply to that also, you say, achukma, achukma. And that means I'm good, I'm doing well, I'm good. And so if you want to ask them also, but you don't have to say all of that, you can just say chishnato, chishnato. And this literally means, as for you, what about you? And you? And so a small conversation would sound like this. Halito, chimachugma, amachugma, chishnato. And then they can just reply back also with amachugma, amachugma. So there is a small greeting conversation that you can have already. All right, the next phrase is going to be chi family cut sana yukpa, chi a family cut sana yukpa. And so this phrase means, I am glad to meet you, or I'm happy that I'm meeting you. And so whenever you meet someone for the first time and you introduce each other, you can simply just say, Chia family cut sana yukpa. I'm glad to meet you. And so use it whenever you're meeting someone new. All right, let's get into the next one. So the next question is going to be Chi hochifuyat nanta, Chi hochifuyat nanta. So this is asking, what is your name? What is your name? And so, of course, when you're meeting someone for the first time, you don't know their name, and so you got to ask them the question, Chi hochifuyat nanta, Chi hochifuyat nanta. And so to reply to that, all you have to do is say, Sa hochifuyat Josh, Sa hochifuyat Josh. And so, Sa hochifuyat, and then insert your name. So there you go. You know how to greet people now. Halito, chimachugma, amachugma, chishnato, amachugma, chio chifuyat nata, saho chifuyat Josh, chia family cut sana yukpa. And there's a small conversation you had in Choctaw. All right, let's get into the next one. And so whenever you're learning a language, the next thing you probably should learn is how to say thank you. Thank you. And so to say this in the Choctaw language, you simply would say yakoke, yakoke, yakoke. So if someone does something for you or gives you something, you can simply say yakoke, yakoke. And that's our way of saying thank you. All right, and so the next one is going to be o me. O me. And so this just simply is an acknowledgement word that we use to acknowledge anything that's being done. But it also can have the meaning of like all right or okay. So if someone comes up to you and says yakoke, you can say oh me, oh me. Or if they're telling you that they're going to the grocery store, you can say oh me, oh me. So like I said, acknowledgement word or all right or okay. All right, and so the next thing I want to address is that we don't really say good morning, good evening, or good afternoon in the Choctaw language. We have words for those like good and morning, good and afternoon, good and evening. However, we don't say these kind of greetings in Choctaw. We just simply say Halito, Halito. So no greetings of good morning, good afternoon, or good evening in the Choctaw language. All right, and so the next one's gonna be akostanicho. 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 Or you could say akostanichilikio. Akostanichilikio. These both mean I don't understand. I don't understand. Akostanicho. Akostanichilikio. I don't understand. All right, and so the next one is going to be katoma or katima ish aminti. So you can say katima ish aminti or katoma ish aminti, and they both mean where do you come from? Where do you come from? So katuma or katima is correct for where, and so you can use either or, it doesn't matter. Speakers will know what you're saying. Katima ish aminti, katuma ish aminti. And so, where do you come from? To reply back to that, you can simply just say, Oklahoma amintile, Oklahoma amintile, or wherever you're from, whatever state you're from, whatever community you're from, you can say that, and then amintile, I come from wherever. All right, so the next phrase is going to be Nitakachugma ish isha jagi. Nitakachugma ish isha jagi. So this means have a good day. Be sure to have a good day. If someone is leaving from work, you can simply say Nitakachugma ish isha jagi. Nitakachugma ish isha jagi. Be sure to have a good day, or have a good day is basically what you're saying. All right, and so the next one is going to be Katiomichihosh ish achi. Katiomichihosh ish achi. And so this simply means, how do you say it? How do you say it? So if I wanted to know how to say thank you in Choctaw, but I wanted to ask it in Choctaw, all you have to say is Katiomichihosh ish achi. Thank you. Or you could say it before, yakoke, katiomichihosh ish achi. And someone will say to you, yakoke, yakoke. So again, katiomichihosh ish achi. Katiomichihosh ish achi. And finally, we're going to have hachim or chim athtaha. So chim athtaha means, are you ready? Are you ready? So you can ask them, chim athtaha, chim athtaha. Or if it's a group of people, 2 or more, you would say, Hachimattaha, Hachimattaha. Are you all ready? Are y'all ready? And so, Hachimattaha or Chimattaha if it's one person. Well, these are some Choctaw phrases that I hope you start using today to start speaking with fluent speakers. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what words or phrases you would like to know in the future. Ang video is pisatuga hachi yakoke lihogi. Magalla hachpi salajagi.